I know. A lot of activities, something that we can do here. We're staying 1 week. We're here. We're staying at 222. Go. Oh wow. Sa taas ang parking. Mas bababa ka dito. There you go. Kitchen. Okay, yan ang kitchen. On that side. Banyo. This is the first room. One room. Open natin yung lights nito. Ito yung living room area. Dining area. Living room. So, ito yung unit. 2 bedroom to, yung isang room nasa taas. So, ganyan siya kaganda. Tingnan natin ang balcony. View from the balcony. Ganyan. Malaki siya. Okay, silipin natin yung taas. Hindi ko na-open kanina. There we go. Dito maglalaro yung mga bata. Of my laundry. So, ito pala yung letter B. Hindi ko na-open kanina. Siya yung B. So, my other kitchen. Open natin yung lights. Ito yung sa balcony. Ayun yung parking. Doon kami nagparkaya sila. So, meron dito mga microwave para dito mag-ano. Gusto natin lights din. So, yan. Ito yung taas. Kanina nakita nyo yung sa baba. So, dito, bedroom. Uy! Good morning. Nice weather.
Silhouette of where they were at, that came out of the towers and moved around, came through the wall there.